Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for ways to build passive income, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful tools out there, YouTube, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can turn it into a money-making machine. We're talking about 3 major ways to make passive income with YouTube: AdSense, affiliate marketing, and selling your own digital products. These methods can work no matter what kind of videos you create, whether you're a vlogger, educator, or entertainer. The best part? Once you set these systems up, they can keep earning for you while you focus on creating more content, or even while you sleep. Sounds good, right? Stick around, and I'll break down each method step by step so you can start building your own passive income streams today. But before we get started, want to make your YouTube videos stand out and grab attention like never before? With Tube Magic, you can unlock powerful tools to enhance your content and boost your channel's growth. Ready to create eye-catching, professional videos effortlessly? Click the link in my description to get started today. Alright, let's talk about the first way to make passive income with YouTube: AdSense. AdSense is YouTube's advertising program that allows creators like you and me to earn money from ads placed on our videos. Here's how it works. Whenever someone watches one of your videos and either sees or clicks on an ad, you earn a small amount of money. Sounds simple, right? But let's break it down a bit more. To qualify for AdSense, you first need to join the YouTube Partner Program. This means meeting 3 main requirements. 1, you need at least 1,000 subscribers. 2, you need at least 4,000 watch hours within the last 12 months. And of course, you must follow YouTube's community guidelines and policies. Once you're approved, YouTube will start showing ads on your videos, and you'll begin earning based on something called CPM, or cost per mil. CPM is the amount advertisers pay per 1,000 ad impressions on your videos. This can vary widely depending on your niche. For example, creators in niches like personal finance, tech, and business tend to have higher CPMs because advertisers are willing to pay more to target those audiences. Now you might be wondering, how much can I actually make from AdSense? Well, the answer depends on a few factors. Your niche, as I just mentioned, how long people watch your videos, because longer watch times mean more ads, and how engaging your content is, because ads are more effective when people don't skip them. One of the best strategies to maximize your AdSense revenue is to create evergreen content. These are videos that remain relevant and useful over time, like tutorials, how-to guides, or reviews. For example, a video titled "How to Change a Tire" could keep getting views and earning ad revenue for years. Here's another tip. Longer videos often allow you to place multiple ad breaks. Once your video is over 8 minutes long, you can add mid-roll ads, which can significantly increase your earnings. But don't overdo it. Too many ads can turn viewers off. Finally, remember that AdSense is a passive income stream. Once you upload a video and it starts gaining views, it can continue earning for you indefinitely. Some creators even make the bulk of their income from older videos that still bring in consistent traffic. AdSense can be an incredible income source, especially if you're consistent and strategic with your content. But don't stop there. Let's explore how affiliate marketing can add even more to your YouTube income. Now that we've covered AdSense, let's talk about the second way to make passive income with YouTube: affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest and most effective ways to earn money from your channel. Here's how it works. You promote a product or service in your video, and when someone clicks your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Let's break it down step by step so you can see how simple it is to get started. First, you'll need to find affiliate programs that align with your content and audience. For example, if you have a tech review channel, you could join the Amazon Associates program and promote gadgets or software. If you're in the fitness niche, you could promote workout equipment, supplements, or online fitness courses. There are affiliate programs for almost every niche out there, including platforms like ClickBank, ShareASale, Digistore24, and PartnerStack. Once you've signed up for an affiliate program, you'll get a unique tracking link for each product you want to promote. This is the link you'll include in your video descriptions, pinned comments, or even on your channel's About page. Here's where the magic happens. You don't need to hard sell anything. Instead, create content that naturally integrates the products or services you're promoting. For example, if you're reviewing a new camera, include an affiliate link where viewers can buy it. If you're making a tutorial on graphic design, recommend software you use and include your link. Or, if you're sharing your favorite books, link to their product pages. The key is to make your recommendations authentic and relevant. People trust creators who genuinely use and believe in the products they promote. So why is affiliate marketing such a powerful passive income stream? Because your videos work for you 24/7. Let's say you upload a video promoting a product. As long as people keep watching that video and clicking your link, you'll continue earning commissions, even years down the road. One great example of this is product reviews or best of lists. Videos like top 5 laptops for students or best fitness equipment for home workouts tend to perform well because they're highly searchable. These videos are not only helpful to your audience, but also have a high potential to generate affiliate sales. Here's a pro tip. Make sure your video titles and descriptions are optimized for SEO. Use keywords that people are searching for, so your content shows up in YouTube and Google search results. The more visible your video, the more clicks your affiliate links will get. Another tip is to disclose your affiliate links. Be transparent with your audience by adding a short disclaimer in your video or description, like, "This video contains affiliate links. If you purchase through these links, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you." Not only is this honest, but it also builds trust with your viewers. Affiliate marketing can become a significant part of your passive income strategy when done right. It's scalable, it works across all niches, and it doesn't require you to create your own products. Speaking of creating your own products, let's move on to the next passive income stream, selling digital products on YouTube. Now that we've covered AdSense and affiliate marketing, let's dive into the third and potentially most profitable way to make passive income with YouTube, selling digital products. Digital products are one of the best ways to monetize your channel because they're easy to create, don't require physical inventory, and have incredibly high profit margins. But what exactly are digital products? They're items like ebooks, online courses, templates, presets, guides, or even memberships that you create once and sell over and over again. Let me walk you through how to get started with selling digital products on YouTube. First, identify a product idea that aligns with your niche and solves a problem for your audience. For example, if you run a fitness channel, you could create a workout plan or meal prep guide. If you're in the tech space, you could sell video editing presets or design templates. And if you're a travel vlogger, you could offer a travel planning ebook or itinerary templates. The key is to think about what your audience needs or struggles with and create a product that provides a solution. Once you have your product idea, the next step is creating it. Don't worry, this doesn't have to be complicated. If you're making an ebook, you can use tools like Canva or Google Docs. For an online course, platforms like Teachable or Gumroad make it easy to set up and sell. Now, let's talk about how to integrate your digital products into your YouTube content. This is where your videos become a powerful marketing tool. Here's how to do it. 1. Create videos related to your product's topic. For example, if you're selling an online course on photography, you could make tutorials like 5 tips for better smartphone photos. At the end of the video, mention your course and direct viewers to the link in the description. 2. Use call to actions strategically. Don't be shy about promoting your product. Let your audience know how it can help them. Say something like, "If you want to dive deeper into this topic, check out my ebook link below. It's packed with actionable tips." 3. Make your product easy to access. Include links in your video description, pinned comments, and even your channel banner. One of the biggest advantages of selling digital products is that it's completely scalable. Whether you sell 10 copies or 10,000, you're not limited by inventory or shipping logistics. And once you've set it up, the sales process runs on autopilot. Here's an example of how powerful this can be. Let's say you sell a $30 ebook. If your YouTube video brings in just 100 sales, That's $3,000 in revenue from one piece of content. And since you don't have ongoing production costs, most of that is pure profit. Another pro tip, offer your audience a freebie to build trust and drive more sales. For example, you could give away a free PDF checklist or mini course in exchange for their email address. Once you have their email, you can follow up with them about your paid product. Finally, don't forget to market your product outside of YouTube. Share it on your social media platforms, collaborate with other creators in your niche, and use email marketing to reach your audience directly. Selling digital products on YouTube is not only a great way to earn passive income, but also allows you to build a deeper connection with your audience by offering them something truly valuable. Now that you know how to leverage digital products, let's wrap things up with some tips on how to maximize your passive income across all these methods. Now that we've covered AdSense, affiliate marketing, and digital products, let's talk about some tips to help you maximize your passive income with YouTube. First, focus on creating high-quality, consistent content. Your videos should provide value, whether that's through solving a problem, teaching something new, or entertaining your audience. The more value you offer, the more likely people are to watch your videos, engage with them, and trust your recommendations. Next, invest time in optimizing your videos for SEO. Use tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to find keywords your audience is searching for, and include those keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. The goal is to make your content easy to discover, both on YouTube and Google. Another tip is to diversify your income streams. Don't rely on just one method. For example, you could use AdSense to monetize views, affiliate marketing to earn commissions, and digital products to sell directly to your audience. Combining these strategies will help you build multiple streams of income, making your earnings more stable over time. Leverage analytics to see what's working. Use YouTube Studio to monitor your video performance and audience behavior. Which videos are driving the most views, clicks, or sales? Double down on what's working and refine what isn't. Consistency is key. Uploading regularly helps you stay on your audience's radar and keeps your content fresh. Even one high-quality video a week can build momentum over time. Finally, engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask questions, and build a community around your content. The stronger the connection you have with your viewers, the more likely they are to support you by watching your videos, clicking your links, or buying your products. Remember, building passive income on YouTube takes time, but with the right strategies, your efforts will pay off. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your passive income grow. All right, let's wrap things up. Today, we've covered 3 powerful ways to make passive income with YouTube: AdSense, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products. Plus, I shared some tips to help you maximize your earnings. Now it's your turn. If you're serious about building passive income, start by choosing one of these methods and taking action today. Whether it's setting up AdSense, finding affiliate programs, or brainstorming a digital product, the key is to get started. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. Also, let me know in the comments which passive income method you're most excited to try. Or if you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, building passive income takes time, but the effort is worth it. Keep creating, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video.